Hey you guys, so we're doing a full meal on the grill tonight. So I have hominy with just some butter, salt, and pepper. That's for my husband. That's his thing. We have some turkey tenderloins. They've been marinated in spices and garlic and all the things. And then we have some asparagus that I just sprayed with olive oil. I got the sprayer you can fill up yourself. It's way easier than drizzle. And salt and pepper. Put some back there. And we're just gonna close it up and let it go. So I just wanted to show you don't have to have fancy equipment or whatever to cook a full meal on the grill. Or to cook a full meal, you can use your grill and put it on the appropriate temperature, and I'm just going to close it up and we're going to let her go. This thing needs a good power wash. Okay, we're just checking on it and I forgot to get my tongs, so I'll be right back. Okay, got my tongs, and you don't have to stand over the grill for meals like this. You just put the setting on low. And close it up. And I'm going to move that because it's done. So it can stay warm over there. Give that a stir. And this probably has taken, I don't know, 8 minutes on its own. Asparagus is done. Another 5 minutes, that'll be done. And this just needs to heat through. And dinner's done in 15-20 minutes on the grill. So if you're out of power or you have brownouts, blackouts, whatever in the summer, you know, it depends on where you live for winter cooking. You can just throw stuff on the grill that you have in the refrigerator or on the pantry shelf, what have you, and cook out here. You could make patties out of your canned meats or whatever. So yeah, this just super easy, super fast dinner on the grill. Not using any power in the house. Okay, we're gonna finish up this video. I'm gonna take it off the grill and take it in the house. The wind's picking up. Looks like we could get some rain, but it'll probably be one of those 1-minute drizzles. I'm gonna have cottage cheese with my portion. I don't really eat hominy. Would be nice if we got a bit of a storm. So I'm going to take all this in and I will meet you at the stove when we plate up. Okay, everything's in. So I'm going to have some cottage cheese. And I picked some tomatoes today, but I think I'm just going to have the cottage cheese. Piece of turkey. I doubt I eat that whole thing. Those got charbroiled, but I like them like that. And then on my cottage cheese, I like some Lawry's. And let's taste this turkey. It's not tough at all. It's got that nice crisp on the outside. It's hot. It's very tender. I have a piece of that. Very good, and this only took 20 minutes. The homony's hot. The asparagus is actually tender because it's nice and thin. And I like that char on it. You don't have to do that. These come out really tender. And then my cottage cheese, so that's super easy, super fast, off-grid meal. So don't get discouraged if you're having power problems or whatever. You can still cook your stuff, enjoy a nice meal, feed the family, and this was really cheap. So you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, you stay cool, and I'm going to hope it's going to storm at least a little bit here. So y'all take care. And if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe.